Digital footprint includes all traces of online activity, including comments on news articles, posts on social media, and online purchases. Everything you do online is creating a digital trail. Even information posted about you gets added to your data trail along with all your login information. Employers, schools, and law enforcement officials will use your digital footprint as a character assessment. You can teach your students to set up Google Alerts to keep an eye on their name online. Spend time getting to know your privacy settings and create very strong passwords to keep all your software up to date. Social media remarks can have consequences for a person's real life. It's important to view your online reputation as part of your real life reputation. Think twice about what you're posting and clean up your past social media posts. Everything you do online is stored in a remote area that you may never even know about. About 33% of colleges research your digital footprint these days, and that rate is constantly going up. 75% of companies have formal policies that require their recruiters to do online research as a possible employee. It's always important not to share too much personal information online for multiple reasons. If you see something about yourself online that you don't like, contact the website's administrator to request for the information to be taken down. Work towards making a positive footprint and learn how information online can easily get out of one's control.